Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eno. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect remotely to a ParrotOS machine from a Windows machine using XRDP. So we'll enable XRDP on ParrotOS, and then we'll use RDP on the Windows machine to connect to ParrotOS. So there's a few things we need to do on ParrotOS. I'll open a terminal. So the first thing we need to do is install XRDP, and before we install it, we can update the packages. We'll do a sudo update, put in our password. Now that we've finished updating the system packages, we can install XRDP. The command is sudo apt install XRDP-y for yes. And I already have it installed, so the next thing we need to do is check the status of XRDP. System CTL status XRDP, and it's showing that it's active and running and it's enabled. Now, if it wasn't enabled or if it wasn't started and running, to enable it, you can use sudo system CTL enable XRDP RDP, and to start it, just use start XRDP. Once you've verified that it's running, you can go ahead and connect to it from a Windows device. Now, the other thing you might want to do, if you have a firewall enabled, you might need to open the port for RDP. So to do that, you can do sudo ufw allow from any to any port 3389 for RDP protocol TCP. I don't have the firewall enabled, so I don't need the command. The next thing we need to do here is to check the IP address, because we'll need the IP address. So the IP address, we need this IP address. We'll need to input this IP on the Windows device on the RDP client. So the IP is 172.16.1.108. Now let's go ahead and go to the Windows device and use RDP to connect to this device. Okay, I'm on our Windows 10 device here, and what we need to do is we need to verify that we can reach that device before we can connect to it. So I'm going to open a command prompt. So let me search for CMD. And then let me try and ping that 172.16.1.108. And it's reachable. So I'll close this. Next, I'm going to search for RDP. So remote desktop connection. And I'm going to need to input that IP, which was 172.16.1.108. I'm going to click connect. I'm going to say yes. And here I'm going to put the username on the ParrotOS and the password for that username. And we are connected, remote desktop connection, and it's showing the IP right here. And we're in. Let me open the terminal and we'll say who am I, and it says So we are able to use remote desktop to connect to the ParrotOS device remotely. So that's all for this video. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.